Zeus, what do you want? What do you want, Zeus? Tell me, Zeus. Show me what you want. Alright, Zeus. You want this? You want this? Alright, Zeus. Smell it, hill. This is smell like bacon and all. Zeus. Zeus, up. Alright, Zeus. Down. Stay. Zeus, up. Good boy. Oh, you big boy. You big baby. You sit. Zeus. You okay? Zeus, sit. Good boy. Paw. Other paw. Okay, good boy. Come here. Oh, you big baby. What you smelling? What's in there? Zeus. Release me. Release me. Release me. Tell it, Zeus. Tell it, Zeus. You better tell it, Zeus. Oh, Zeus, you better not tell it. You better let him get away from that, Zeus. Come on, Zeus. Oh, Zeus. Yeah. Come here, Zeus. Come on. Come here. Okay, I'm gonna give you this. What are you gonna do for me? That's all. This is the last one. This is the last Nat. This is the last one, Zeus. What are you gonna do for me? Come here. Come here. Give my hand. Give my hand. Give my hand. Oh, give my hand. Ah. Give my hand, Zeus. Ah. It's in my hand. Zeus. Oh. It's my hand. What do you want, Zeus?
Zeus rape him.
What do you want?
I want you to rape him.
Hey, what is wrong with you?
I want Zeus to rape him. That's what's wrong.
You're fucked up in the head. Where's Zeus? Oh, Zeus. What? What? Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ.
Ah, you eat my hand. Read my hand.
Rawr.
Extra close.
Eat him, Zeus.
What the hell?
Eat him.
Up. Come on. Let him go, Hayden. Shit. Come on, Zeus. Up. Oh, you got me. Oh. Oh my God, you got me. Good boy. Come here. What the hell? I thought he was going to give you a share. Come here, Zeus. Come here. Act. Oh, I see how it is, Zeus. There he is.
You like how the furniture's been rearranged?
Oh my God, Zeus. He's stalking me. He's stalking me. Oh my God. Zeus. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh! Ah, Zeus. You big baby. Look at all this furniture around me. Da-da. See you, Zeus. Oh. No, Zeus, it's a bad puppy. Ah. I think we're safer now.